let's now discuss friction. Okay. Friction is what we call, this is a reactive force. Reactive. De? Say tawag ana ha? Or mas better siguro mano, is a constraint force. This is, parang matawag natin siya as a constraint force. Na friction because you are constrained in a surface. Okay, nakuha ninyo? If you're not constrained in a surface, then wala kay pa-feel nga friction. Okay? To constrain you in a surface, na friction yun na siya. So for example, there's two types of friction. We have the kinetic or static. Type 1 and type 2 is the kinetic. So ang friction Fs here is mu s n. This one is Fk equals mu k n, where mu are the coefficient of friction. Now, mu s is greater than mu k always, meaning that the static friction is greater than the kinetic friction. Unsay meaning na, well, it's much harder to set something in motion than to maintain it. Sabta ninyo? It's much harder to keep, I mean, when something is at rest, imo na siyang i-move, it's much harder than to just maintain it. Nakuha ninyo? Okay, murag ana gyapon ta no sa ato ang life. The first step is always the most difficult step. Right? It's always the first step that we are scared of. Pero pag naana ta didto, okay, mo nang daghang kitag plano pero di gid ma-execute because we are afraid to take the first step. Pero mo na giingon daw nga, just take the first step. Just take the first step. Now, I don't know who said that, but I read something. I think it was Henry Ford. You don't need to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. You don't need to see the road. You just need to take the first step. It's the most difficult step towards everything sa inyong buhaton because dito mahitabo ang decision. Okay? Dito mahitabo ang decision. So anyway, that's just some sort of ad-lib. I mean, saba? A little bit of detour. Pero, yeah, makita niyo, there are lots of parallel sa ano. Okay? Okay. So, mu s is greater than mu k. So, kung saan na siya, friction resists the tendency of motion. Kung asa ang possible velocity or asa directed ang actual velocity or potential velocity, dito ang friction. Meaning, if you apply a force here, okay, friction, meaning the tendency is that the velocity will be dire. So, friction will be on the other side. Okay? So, maura na yan sa friction. Now, there is another. Suppose nga, okay, i-calculate natin isa. Suppose that mu s is equal to 0.4 and mass is equal to 100 kilograms. What is the minimum force that you have to apply on this direction, FA, in order for this mass to set it in motion? Nakuha? So, na friction. Well, ang kuha nato is just draw a free body diagram, right? On this side is FA. On that side is FS, right? So, what is the minimum amount of force applied para ma-set nimo siya in motion? Or that is equivalent to the maximum amount of force that friction can hold. Nakuha ninyo? Murag, that question is, what is the, kanisha is, what is the minimum? Actually, di gini si minimum, it should be greater than, strictly greater than. Okay? Strictly greater than. what is the minimum amount? So, here is not minimum, it's meaning that it should be greater than this amount. Minimum force, FA, to set M in motion. This, meaning, ani, is that if we have this F, unsa ba? F bar is that minimum force, then FA, okay, let F bar to be, okay, let F bar be the maximum force that Fs can hold. There is that maximum force that Fs can hold. What is that F bar? F bar is just equal to the force of friction, right? It's just friction. So mu S N, so this is equal to 0.4 times 100 times 9.8. That would be 980. That's 98 times 4 to 196. 380, 386 newtons. 396. 392. 392. Okay, 392. Okay, 392 newtons. So, Fs can hold. So, meaning here, F bar is equal to Fs. Or, pwede na ito, tanggalon na ito ng F bar, no? Pero, later naman good, mo ano na siya. O, ayun na lang. Meaning here that Fa must be strictly greater than Fs. Nakuha? This is also the same as what is the maximum force that Fs can hold. And that would be equal to this applied force must be equal to Fs. Right? This is the maximum. If you apply a force, if Fa is less than equal to Fs, is less than Fs, it will not move. Now, here's the danger here. Okay? If mura ka robot nga ga-solve dire. Okay? For example, let's say, kabalo naman tayo sa friction light. Let's say if we apply a force, suppose that we apply a force of 200 newtons, what would happen? Well, kung imo mura ka robot, imong isolve summation of forces equals MA, right? Or wala pa takulog MA ana, basta 200 minus 396, right? Right? 92. So clearly, dili sa 0. So this is MA, right? So A now is equal to negative 192 over M, right? Or this is now negative 1.92 meters per second squared. Ano yung acceleration dito? Ngano man eh? Why is this? I apply the force of 200 Newton dire. And take the summation of forces. And since it is not equal to 0, it must be equal to MA, right? Di ba unbalance siya? Tama? Okay? And tanawa, I can solve an A of negative 1.92. So, saan siya may tabuan eh? Di ba? Siya, mo ana noon siya, right? Bunya, posible ba na? Can it happen? Yeah, pero nga naman tayo, negative 1.92. Ng acceleration. Ha? Lagi, pero tanawang A ni mo, na kay negative 1 sa atong calculation. Still, di mo ni ma-eliminate. Tama? Naagid ni. Okay? So, diri nato kailangan masabtan unsay meaning sa friction. Okay? Kaning Fs, this is the maximum. Meaning here, that friction, okay, will only equate, just like normal force, it will only equate sa unsay gi-apply dito sa iyaha. So, ibig sabihin, if you apply a force of 200 newtons, your friction is also 200 newtons. Nakuha? So, this is wrong. Tama? Your friction is just 200 newtons. How about 390? Well, ang friction mo kay 390. But what if 396? Ang imong friction kay 396 gihapon. Di gihapon mo. Pero what if 397? Then your friction is 396 na anak kay acceleration. Nasabtan? And once nga mag-move na ang muak karon kay dili na mu s, mu k na. Right? Nasabtan? Okay. Di na siya mu s. Okay. So, maunay ano karon sa friction, no? It's a reactive force. It will only give you what you ano murag ka. Yeah. Kaya niya pugnan. Kay kung that Fs is not always 392 newtons. Okay, nasabtan ninyo? Okay. So, okay. Now, here's a modification of this. Suppose mu k is equal to 0.2. Question karon, mao ra gihapon. What is Fa? What is Fa such that 1, the block moves at a constant velocity of 1 meter per second. Or, the block moves or Mach accelerates at 1 meter per second squared. Okay? Number 2, the block accelerates at 5 meters, or let's make it 10 meters per second squared. And number 3, the block moves at a constant velocity of 10 meters per second squared. And number 4, the block moves at constant velocity, 1 meter per second squared. 10 meter, sorry, ano per second squared mo na? Per second, no? 10 meters per second. Okay, let's illustrate this one. Okay, number 1, okay, again, dito na punta, balik ta, always gina siya, no, dirigid magsugod tanan, right? Summation of forces, so this is equal to F. Padulong dito, Fa minus friction, Fk equals Ma. So, given ang A dire, right? For number 1, A is equal to 1. So that Fa now is equal to Ma plus Fk. So, this is just equal to 100 times 1 plus, pila ni? 390? 92? So, this is 492, right? Newtons. 492 newtons. How about number 2? A equals 10. So, maura gyapon, Fa would be 100 times 10 times plus 392. Again, wala na ko gano kaya itong units compatible naman. Okay? So, muna, before ka mag-calculate yun, before ka mo i-compatible ninyo yung units. Okay? This is 1,1392 newtons. Now, how about let number 3? V is equal to constant. 1 meter per second. Now, here, in order to flow it, what is our summation of forces? F, which is equal to Fa minus friction equals 0, right? Constant velocity man. So that Fa must just be equal to 392 newtons. How about number 4? V is equal to 10 meter per seconds. Is it 3,920? No. It's the same. 392 newtons. So, mo ba? One is traveling at 1 meter per second, the other is traveling at 10, very fast. 10 times the speed, but you will only need to apply a force of, well, tungod kay wala may acceleration, right? Meaning, once na-set na nga velocity at that velocity, di na ninyo kailangan na siya just maintain the force, right? Just maintain the force that will, kumbaga pa, that eventually will suppress friction. Pareho ra sila. Pero, di rin na mo lahi later on when we get into power. Pareho ang force, pero lahi ni sila og power ang duha. Okay? Because power now will then be related to the velocity. Mas dako ni siya og power nga kinahanglan kesa dire. But the same force, amount of force. Okay? Mo nagingon nga strong power doesn't mean stronger force pod. Anyway, maabot ta diha. Sabtan ninyo? Okay, this is a very illustrative example. This is a conceptual example actually. Muning akong giani gid siya. Okay? So that you have to understand unsay sa friction. Okay? Sabtan. So now let's calculate katong balik na punta dito sa inclined plane. Paborito kay nako ng inclined plane jud tawon. Theta na po na itong gamito, no? Nakakaidra, mass. Ang question karon is, what is given mu? What should be mu to prevent the block from sliding? Okay? So, well, pwede natin i-diretso kayo. Nasoldo man natong but I'd like to do it again. Mo niya tong di ba, axis, no? Okay. Naadiri ang weight. Naadiri ang normal force. Now, naadiri ang friction. Okay? Now, summation of forces, diri na dati, we don't need actually itong y dati. Diba? Katong ipakita na ko sa inyo atong solution when we solve sa x. We don't need the y. Kaya nga naman, y has nothing to do with the Pero karon may ginanglan ta og y, nga naman. Well, summation of forces along x. You have minus friction, kinetic, static di ay. Friction na natin ibutang, minus f, but static friction na siya, no? Kay at rest man siya. But sometimes man gud usahay kapoy magbuta static kinetic so let's just use F. Basta at rest siya, static siya, pag moving siya, kinetic. Di na pwede magdungan ng duha, no? So, okay, F plus weight x equals, this must be 0, tama? Because ang atong ginaano is equilibrium pamanta. Mo na inyong una pangutanon. Is the system in equilibrium? And according to the problem, it must be in equilibrium, right? To prevent the block from sliding. Ibig sabihin, dito ta sa edge of equilibrium. Right? Mo itong ginakuha. So, that's why 0 siya. Now, diri na mo because makita ninyo, this is mu n, mu lang po ibutang, plus mg, na-solve na natin ni, right? mg, sine man yata ni, no? Sine theta, right? Last meeting, we solved this already because this is theta also. Pag theta ni, right? So, mao niyang sin theta equals 0 na atay n diri. Right? So, diri na manginahanglan na ta karon sa y because sa y dito nato makita ang isa ka n. Ano man gud ng n? So, what is you have n minus weight y equals 0, right? So, n is just equal to weight y which is mg cosine of theta. So, from here, natay makita. So, minus mu mg cosine of theta equals, equals mg sine of theta. So that mu is equal to tangent of theta. Now, is it, unsay condition actually? The condition is mu should be greater than or less than. Nganong nahimo man ang greater than or less than? Okay? Anong nahimo ning greater than or less than? Ani man gud ni siya. In order for this to ato ni siyang ibuhat, it should be less, less than or equal to 0, right? Now, using, mo reverse na siya dire pag-abot. Kay mahimo man siyang less than, ani. So, sa ato pa kani dire na negative, gitanggal na to negative, ni-reverse siya, right? Okay? It should be greater than. Nganong nag-ano kung less than here? Well, of course, wala ginay negative, no? Kay ani man gud ang mu, this is exact. Pag equal man gud na nimo, meaning that is exact. If greater than that, it's okay. Meaning that mu equals tangent theta is the minimum friction. Sabtan? It's the minimum nga ano. Or that theta, kung tanaw na to, ang theta na lang ta magbase, no? Theta is equal to tangent inverse of mu. Now, unsa ni siya? It should be less than or equal? It should be less than. Ato lang yan, positive man gud siya. Although it can be, mo reverse siya pag negative, kay ang tangent, positive, negative man, right? But since ano siya, ato lang pa ng positive nga ano, it is less than. Theta should be less than or equal to tangent inverse of mu. Pag imo nang padakon ana unsay metaba, pag dakon nimo unsay metabo. Pag mudakon na din ang theta unsay metabo mo, slide na noon siya, right? Tama? Okay? Mo slide noon siya. So, yeah, that's why, okay? Okay, now, let's atong i-revisit na po ni siya nga problem. And suppose that given ang mu, given ang system, at okay, dire na ako i-solve no, balik. Suppose that, okay, kanira gihapon, nasa mu, given ang mu, right? So, find the acceleration A. Okay, again, maura gihapon nga process, di ba? Summation of, kabalo na ta karon, we don't need y, ato naman ang na-solve, no, A will not affect, right? So, N is equal to mg cosine of theta. So, summation of forces along x, that would be equal to minus mu mg cosine of theta, mu n. Right? Plus mg sine of theta equals ma. Right? So, sa ato pa, our A na would be equal to sine of theta minus mu cosine of theta times g. Notice that when mu equals 0, we get balik dati, tama? G sin theta, right? When mu becomes 0, wala friction, frictionless. Motong dati na to. So this is much more original. Nasabtan? Okay? Okay. 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 Okay, kani nga problem. Nakay ani dire, then ana nga surface. Naay mu. Ang question mo, slide siya gikan sa H. Asa sa taman dire from this. Calculate the distance D. Ay siya mo stop. Kasi eventually mo stop siya, right? Okay? So, nasa friction. Now, we already calculated acceleration, right? Kabalo na sa acceleration, A is equal to sine theta minus mu cosine of theta G. Okay. Now, pag-abot dire, pilay velocity ani, dili na ni siya square root of 2gh. Okay, kay mo nagingon nga path dependent na siya. Again, theta gyapon ni siya. So, unsay given nato dire, theta, h, and mu. And of course, m, right? So, dapat ang imong D should be in terms of theta, h, mu, and m. Okay. So, unsa atong gamiton? Katong gyapon, 2ax, no, or 2as equals v squared minus v naught squared. This is 0. So, v now is equal to 2 times g sine theta minus mu cosine theta v squared times h over sine of theta. Tama ba? So, v now is equal to 2g asang g squared. 2g times, akong isulod ang sine, so 1 minus, mahimo ni siyang cotangent. Mu cotangent theta h. So, murag 2GH gyapon pero nisulod ni siya, right? Ako na lang isulat, ano 2GH times 1 minus mu cotangent theta, right? Square root. Notice, pag mu equals 0, balik gyapon ng 2GH, right? So, di mo maano no, mga sakto ang kuha nato. Okay, mao ni ang velocity diri. So, diri na po ta, translational, linear kinematics na po ta diri. Ang atong V naught karon kay equal na sa kani. Right? And usa atong magamit, mao gyapon nga equation, right? 2ax, natay a, unsay a nato? Well, ang a nato kay, okay, mao ni atong problem karon ang a. Pag abot diri, ma-change na. How do we calculate A? We have our new A diri. Kay dili naman to gaak diri, right? What is our A? Well, naa kay mass dira, gaana ka, di ba? So, naay friction padulong dito, kinetic friction, right? Assuming nga mao gyapon ang mu. Okay? So, that summation of forces, what is the force here? Minus Fk. Is there any other? Walay applied force, right? So, this is equal to ma. Sa ato pa, the acceleration A is equal to minus okay. Kaning unsa man ning Fk? This is mu mg. Mg na lang siya diri, right? Kaya di naman siya tilted, right? Mg equals ma. So A now is equal to minus mu g. Right? So ma-solve na nato. We will use this equation again. So 2a S is equal to V squared minus V naught squared. This is our V naught. But we are solving when the velocity mo stop siya. So meaning this is 0. Okay? So S now, mo na itong ginasolve. Mo na ang D, right? Okay? S now is equal to D is minus V squared over 2 times, so mawalang negative, right? 2 mu g. Oh, mana. Or, dili pa din eh. Kay, dapat atong kuan ang given mong yun. So, this is, from here, D is equal to, unsa man ang V naught squared, kana, right? So, this is now, 2h times 1 minus mu cotangent theta over 2. Ang na lang yun. Over mu. Right? O, mao na siya. Na square root? Wala. O, mao na siya. Kuha. Sabtan. Sabtan. Okay? So, okay na ni. Given naman itanan, right? Munang mas maayo makatun mong derive kay logical ang solution. Okay. Now, ato ang kuan karon kay saan man to ni. Okay, we'll now move to another topic, tension. Now, tension is also a constrained force. There's tension because you are constrained. So, for example, it's just actually the analogy of the normal force when, mura siya normal force gyapon. Nakay string, sabitan nimo na og mass, right? Now, of course, you know that there's weight going dire, right? Weight. And this is an equilibrium. Sa ato pa naay force pasaka, right? And that must be tension. So, in this case, T minus mg equals 0. So, T equals mg. Unlike tension, unlike friction, tension, wala siya formula. T, lagid na siya. Magdepende na siya sa ano. Okay? Now, of course, this is a boring problem. Let's actually have a much more interesting problem. Inclined plane na pod. Gibitay nato siya diri. M. Calculate the tension. Okay, again, free body diagram. Nakay weight, nakay T, right? Sa X rataan eh, right? So, summation of forces along X is T minus T plus mg sine of theta, right? Equals 0. So, T is equal to mg Sine of theta. Okay, how about dungagan na itong friction? Okay, ang friction should be acted dire, right? Dira, kay dire man ang supposed motion. So, madungagan lang friction dire, right? Oh, and of course, you have to solve sa along y na pod. Okay? Tama? Okay. Now, we go to a much more interesting problem. Butangan na itong friction pod. Butangan na ito og friction. Ang ano karon dire is find the acceleration of the block. Now, of course, wala ta kabalo kung mo-accelerate siya ani clockwise or counterclockwise. But we'll just assume A. Muna itong assumption. Okay. Now, diri nga part sa block, let's put a free body diagram. This is T. M1G, right? Weight 1. And this must also be A, tama? Okay, since diri atong acceleration, asa ang friction karon? Friction must be going this way, right? Fk. So, again, ang N nato, di na nako ikuha na, pero ang N, maurag yapon, M1G cosine of A, right? So, para mag-X na lang ta diretso. Summation of forces along X, dire. Mo niya tong X. Okay, you have minus friction, minus weight 1x, plus T equals M1A, right? M1A. Now, duha ka buok ano nato dire, T ug ang A. But we can generate two equations here. Equations, duha ka equations, dire ug dire. So, masolve ra siya. So, from here, our tension now is equal to M1A, FK1 ni siya ha, plus FK. This is mu M1G cosine A, right? Plus weight X, so M1G sine of A. Tama? Okay. How about sa dire, pag-abot dire? Okay? Summation of forces along X, that would be unsa man? Ha? So again, mao gyapon tension, since diri ang atong acceleration, so friction is going that way. And weight X is this. So naa kay ana no? T, F, and weight. So, okay, ang N2 karon kay M2G cosine beta, no? Sabtan? Okay, ang N nato dire, in this case, kay N2 is N1 ni siya, M2G cosine of B. So, summation of forces along X now, what would be? That would be T minus friction. This is mu M2G, mu N, right? M2G cosine B. Plus weight X. Positive na po siya dire, right? So, this is just M2, ang weight X kay M2. Maura man gyapon ni nga ano, di ba? Mao man ni, di right? M2G sine of B. And this is equal to M2A. Now, substitute this dire. Okay? So, you now have minus T. So, sa ato pa, minus M1A minus mu M1G cosine A plus minus gapon. Minus M1G sine A minus mu M2G cosine B plus M2G sine B plus M2A. Now, atong iipon ng M2A dire. So, kani mahimo ni siya og i-factor out na to ang M1. So, dire kay mahimong may, okay, unahon na to ang M2 kay positive siya. So, M2 G times, di ba kani? Sin B minus mu cosine B, right? Dayon ang M1, so minus M1, or anihon na lang nato. Yeah, M1 G times sin A plus mu cosine A. Right? Tama? Equals M1 plus M2 times A. So sa ato pa, our acceleration is okay, M2 times sin B minus mu cosine B minus M1 times sin A plus mu cosine A over M1 plus M2 times G. Okay. Wala siya. Alright? Uyoy. Ha? Okay. Sabtan. Now, ani ni siya? Okay. Atong i-simplify na ang problem. Atong iani na lang. Dire, so murag mo ana siya dire, no? M2 dire. Ana siya. Bitay na lang siya dira. Okay? If we solve that one, maura gyapon ang equation 1, pero ang equation 2 kay wala na friction. So, summation of forces along Y, T minus M2G equals minus M2A, right? Pero natin yung minus, kay padulong mo siya dito. Kay mo man itong gi-assume, right? Okay. So, sa ato pa, okay, diri na lang ta diretso, no? Ato na lang i-kuan dire. So, kani equals T minus, so minus M2G equals minus M2A. So, sa ato pa dire kay A na, atong i-diretso ha. M1 plus M2, ibalin dire. Ay, ibalin ako dito, ibalin ako ni siya dire, tama? So, pag ibalin ako dire, mahimo ning negative. So M2 minus, tanawa. M2 minus M1 times sin A plus mu cosine A over M1 plus M2 times G. Right? Now, notice, pwede na ito dirikwaon actually. When we just let B equals pi over 2 or 90, right? Ma-1 man eh, ma-0 ni siya, right? Mawala ni. Oh, makuha ni siya. So, we are, tama? Nasabtan ninyo? Pwede na siya kwaon lang dire. Now, this is wala ta kabalo asa mo accelerate ang A. Pag solve ninyo ani, if you get an A which is positive, meaning that the correct is katong gi-assume ninyo. Nasabtan? But what if when you solve a negative acceleration, meaning ang correct is it will go in the opposite way. Nasabtan ninyo? Kung mao ninyong assumption, kung positive yung acceleration ng makuha, pag butang niyo sa values, mo tong correct. Inyong assumption is the same with the actual. Pero pag negative yung makuha ang acceleration, meaning that the actual is on the other side. Sabtan? Oh, mo na ibot pasabot ana sa negative. Kaya kana, depende man na sa mga values dia, right? Nasabtan. Okay. Now, okay, kani ako ang i-ano sa inyo ha. Ano lang, homework, just do it. Nakay ani karon. A, B, and C. Dili, kamo na ibada. Nara sa inyo trabaho ninyo ni dili, no? M1, M2, M3. And then I mu, no? O find the acceleration of the block of mass. Ah? Okay, tension. Usa pa iwa na to na kuan nga tension. Also, elastic force. Pero ato na nang ulihin ng elastic force. So, friction. B, sige lang, ma-surprise na lang mo sa quiz phone. Okay, so nasabtan ninyo? Kana na sa siguro ta?